too sharp, right? You cut them smaller, cut half again, and put it to the motor. Get a foot, put it to the motor. Small band at the tail. You can take small bands, like it. Small bands. You cut the root out. And love chop. 1, 2, and put it to the motor. Put it to the motor. You're not on the table. Okay.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Okay, 2 stem lab is it? 1, 2. Like it. Don't chop it. You can put hole. Don't chop it because you have to pound. And 1 spring onion. Whole spring onion. Yeah? You take whole spring onion. Lab chop like it. Or you can use your hand like it. You can do like me like it. Same flavor. But if you cut your hand not same. But if you cut your hand not same flavor, yeah?
No, I can do that.
Not same color, yeah? I put it to the motor. No colander. And 1 cafe lamb leaf. You know cafe lamb leaf, we need a stem, right? Stem in the middle, right? 1 cafe lamb leaf. Stem in the middle. And take the stem up.
No good.
You know stem is too sharp, right? And you change smaller. 1, 2. And 1 red chili. If you like spicy, you can take 2, 3 chili. If you don't like, you can put half. You want more or less spicy? Half again. You want more or less? Again. Maybe no chili, okay? Okay, 1 lemongrass. Lemongrass, you cut the root off. 2 woody, yeah? Take the root, take the 1 or 2 leaf. 2 chili, like it. And a thin slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 or 5 thin slices. You know, lemongrass had a flavor. You can put more, but too woody. You put a little bit for good flavor. See? And you put pinch of salt. Last one, I will give you 1 teaspoon of the sticky rice powder. I will give you pass on the table. If you don't have the sticky rice powder, you can use cornstarch or corn flour for thickening. Yeah. And how we make it? You know, how to make the sticky rice powder? We have to soak the rice about 2 or 3 hours, and we keep the water out. And put it right into the motor, and you pound, and become like this. And at home you can use blender. Yeah, blender easy. Yeah. Okay, now I say the ingredient for me: 1 garlic, put it to the motor. Yeah? 1 shallot, small banana gel, and 2 steamed lao basil, 1 spring onion, no coriander, 1 cafe lamb, 1 chili, and 1 lemongrass.
Okay.